All right, today's chore day for my van. So I forget what exactly I have to do, but I did make a list. So first of all, I did all of my dishes. Those were piling up for 2 days. It took me about 20 minutes. And I also have to empty my pee jug. I have to do this whole bag of laundry, and I also have to fill up my water tanks. I don't yet have a water sensor in my van to like measure the level of my tanks to see how full or how low it is. So I have to visually inspect as well as keep track of how many days have gone by. Right now I'm just filling them up every 9 or so days, and then visually sticking my head underneath the bed and checking when it gets to a full amount, and then that's when I stop filling it up. So because I'm in the city right now and I'm not actually traveling, I'm currently at my family's place for the day so that I can do my chores here, such as my laundry and fill up my water. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, is just get this laundry into there. I also wanted to share what I use as laundry detergent because these have been such a game changer. So instead of using the big jugs of liquid, I used to do that, but it just takes up so much space, like especially in a van compared to this. Look how thin it is. So it's just laundry strips. They look like this, and then you can tear them into two like that, and depending on how big your load is, depending how big the laundry load is, okay, you can use one strip or you can use two strips, and that's it. Like, that's all you need for like an entire laundry load. And then all you have to do is carry this thing around, and it's so thin. So I just find this at the regular grocery store. And then I also have this one. It's for stain remover. This one's unscented. They just look the exact same. So my tanks are all filled up. They're under here, and I filled it a little bit more than halfway, so the water line is like right here. I always keep an eye out for leaks, and now I'm just gonna turn on the water pump just to make sure there's no leaks. And if I hear the water pump go, it means there's a breach in the system, but it sounds good. Yesterday I was exploring this very interesting, kind of weird vintage kind of store, vintage kind of garage sale kind of store. They had a bunch of different kind of things in there, lots of like Buddhist stuff, Indian stuff. I got this like pillow cover, which I thought looks pretty cool. It said that this is from India, like the inside. Okay, so I just realized that upon washing it just now that it's dry clean only, and I am not bringing this to the dry cleaner. I just tossed it in the wash anyway, so it looks a little bit beat up, but I'm gonna try to put this pillow that I have into this, because this pillow, it doesn't have a removable case. It's just like the pillow on the inside is actually sewn directly into this. So I've tried to put this in the wash a few times, and as you can see, it just gets like holes in it, like it damages the pillow. So I'm thinking of just, I was gonna crochet some pillow covers for them. I'm not really into crocheting right now, so I just saw this one and thought I would try it out. So I'm gonna try to stuff it in here. Let's see. It's quite fat. I accidentally broke it a little bit because the pillow's too fat. So there's this little piece where the zipper kind of broke. But otherwise, it looks okay. Okay, it's now like 7 p.m. I've just finished all of my chores. Like, I just finished putting away the rest of my laundry. These chore days, they usually take the whole day, like especially when it's a laundry day, it takes the whole day. So let's see, the only thing I have left to do is empty my recycling items. I'll show you where I keep those. Literally just keep them here in the front seat, like in that paper bag, and I just reuse that paper bag and put my recycling items in there, and then I empty it whenever it gets full. Right now I'm able to just run inside and put them with the rest of the recycling inside the house, but if I don't have that kind of access, usually I go to like, there's this like recycling station that I know of, so I usually just drop them off there.